Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss the new features introduced in Java 8. Java 8 was a significant release for Java developers, and it introduced several new features that make Java programming more efficient and enjoyable. Let's start with the first question. What is Java 8 and why it's important? Java 8 is a major release of the Java programming language that was released in March 2014. It introduced several important new features enhancements that made Java more powerful and easier to use. Java 8 is important for several reasons. It has introduced several new features such as Lambda Expressions, Stream API, default methods in interfaces, method references, and the Nashorn JavaScript engine, which allow developers to write more efficient, effective code in Java. All these features make Java 8 an important release and significant improvement over previous versions of the language. Let's start with the first feature of Java 8, that is Lambda Expressions. One of the most important new features of Java 8 is Lambda Expressions. Lambda Expressions provide a concise way to define anonymous functions in Java. They are used to implement functional interfaces, which are interfaces with a single abstract method. Lambda Expressions are defined using the operator and can be passed as arguments to methods or returned from methods. Here's an example of a Lambda expression. In this example, we are using a Lambda expression to print each value in the list. Next feature is Stream API. Another important new feature of Java 8 is the Stream API. The Stream API provides a way to perform functional style operations on collections in Java. It is a powerful tool for processing large data sets. It provides a set of methods that allow you to perform operations on a collection of data, such as filtering, mapping, and reducing. Here's an example. In this example, we are using a stream to filter the even numbers and then summing them up. Next feature we have is Date and Time API. Java 8 introduced a new Date and Time API, which provides a more powerful and flexible way to work with dates and times in Java. It includes classes such as local date, local time, locale date time, zoned date time, and duration. Here's an example. In this example, we are using the Date and Time API to get the current date and time. Another feature is default methods. Default methods allow interfaces to provide implementation for methods, making it easier to add new functionality to existing interfaces. Here's an example. In this example, we are defining a default implementation for the drive method in the vehicle interface. We also have optional class. The optional class provides a way to handle null values in a more efficient and concise way. It allows developers to write more concise and readable code by reducing the number of null checks in their code. Here's an example. In this example, we are using the optional class to handle a null value and provide a default value. Next feature that is introduced in Java 8 is method references. Method references provide a way to refer to a method by its name without actually invoking it. Here's an example. In this example, we are using a method reference to print each name in the list. Next feature is Nashorn JavaScript engine. Java 8 includes a new JavaScript engine called Nashorn, which provides improved performance and compatibility with JavaScript. Here's an example. In this example, we are using the Nashorn JavaScript engine to print Hello World. And the last feature of Java 8 that we are going to discuss is parallel arrays. Java 8 introduced the ability to perform parallel operations on arrays, making it easier to write parallel algorithms. Here's an example. In this example, we are using the parallel prefix method to perform a prefix multiplication operation on the array. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe.